Dumelang setjhaba sa Thembisa le bua le Confidence Machata ke tlile mo ka mabapi ya go latlhegela ke phone ya iPhone 14 Pro Max mo ke ka kry-a gore phone ya ka mo e latlhetseng teng motho a mfounela a mpotsa gore Confidence ke kry-ile phone like o checkile di-emergency calls tsaka a founela batho ba ka a ba botsa gore ke nyakana le mongwe wa phone ke kry-ile phone but motho o ne re ya isa taba ko pele a bolabola gore yena a ka se nne phone ya ka o nyaka ke mo fe password ka re ko yena a re kopane go ba re kry-a this password ko go bolela password ya ka pele ga ka a re yena no you won't give me meaning I'm not serious ka ba ka fitlhelela mo ke tlang mo ke tlo nyaka thuso. Yes, ke na le tsona le dinepe tsa teng. True call ya hae e re Kumopi but ke bile ka find out batho ba bangwe ba try go nthusa le bona ba mo kraya ko Facebook lebitso la ke Phiwo H Mshongwe MXEGO Phiwo ke ya gae ko Facebook and then ya ko TikTok ke hanyani ke Phiwo M99 sinepe sa hae ke se kry-ile ko phone number ya amfonetseng ka yona ko WhatsApp ko lepodisa le a le ko true calling ko di emergency calls tsaka o le phonetse and then na le phonela ke lona la rio this person o bonagalang ka a sa tshepegala a re go ka one re dire fast re tse this screenshot ka go sane maybe re ta re thusha cause phonetse ka number ya hae straight and then ke mo ke kry-ileng that true call ya Kumopi le picture ya hae and then tse dingwe di pictures tse ke na go le tsona ke di kry-ile ko batho ba ne se ke thoma go mo researcha ko Facebook and TikTok ke rata go thushega gore also ke mo kreye ke kgone go tseba gore phone ya ka o ikry-ile kae jwang cause nna ke tseba phone ke na le yona ko ntlong but ne ke tsoga ke kry-a ke sa sana phone ke nyaka ntlhalosetse gore yena phone ya ka o ikry-ile jwang and even le yena mo a leng teng if he can show this profile like this video a tsebe gore nna if nkare yena he was willing gore a nthushe why a sa tshwara di-calls tsaka why le gona a nyaka password ya phone ya ka ke se yona cause a phegelela lentšu la gore nna this phone is not mine kare if it's not mine why re ska ya ra tlhakana police station and then re ke bule case o bone mo ke dulang gore ka go san if there is something e tla diragalang ke kgone gore ke be involved I don't know ka re and ntongwe no gore iPhone ya ka di emergency call tsewe di re ka batho ba ka go fela o ba bontshang profile ya ngwanaka o ba bontshang le dilo ka go fela why uri aya ka se why batho ba ka ofela ba re ke phone ya ka cause a founela motho mo yuano o founele mmabatho a founela ali commander the rest the emergency call tsaka o contactanile le bona ba mo tlhalosetsa still that 14 Pro Max ke ya Confidence cause ntongwe ne like ke latlhegetswe ka ba ka mo offera and then ne ke mo offera ka ra le cold drink auswaka I can give you even le 5,000 ke mamputisitseng a re when ka re even today a re oh okay ka re give me the location a re I won't give you the location ne tshwantse itaba e ye pele o bulela ka ditaba tsa password a re if you are serious give me your password of your phone meaning like e bonagalang ka re yena a go sa le ditaba tsa gore ke o tlompha phone ya ka ke le unkile phone newa gore like nka re dira gore o inkile phone in a purpose way wa itseba ntwe a inyaka go mola phone cause mo nka re a nyoko nthusa a tlo ba kopanne le nna ka bula phone ka moleboga mo ke molebogang gona a tswa ko nna le ne ke tswile ko yena cause I don't know her.
Hello
Yebo
kunjani?
Siyaphila kunjani?
Siyaphila sisi ukhuluma nomfanelo la kuThembisa online.
Ewe bhuti uthetha noPhiwa Mqhayi.
Hayi ngiyabona ukuthi uzama ukungithinta la uthi kuhamba kanjani
Into eyenzekayo bhuti ndibuya emsebenzini ngoku at around 7 to 8 ngingena ku social media wami and I'm getting comments of abantu on TikTok and on Facebook saying that I should return iphone ka siswa abantu I respond to one of the comments asking ba kwenzeka ntoni ngale phone ngale ndaba yale phone because they confused nyani Then Andy messaged Lelo Sisi on that commented on one of my videos saying that the trend on Facebook. The trend on Facebook on Utembis, Voice of Tembisa.
Tembisa Online. Yeah.
Yes, Tembisa Online. Then I go to the page and I see the video, and the video has my name and also my pictures on that, and Usisi. I cannot hear the language because I'm close and I'm close.
Oh.
Yes, and I am in Cape Town. This video yakhe Usisi uthi lo muntu umfoneleyo once in number, once in password I mean. Your phone yakhe, if I'm correct. Wayithatha inumber wayifaka ku Truecaller. If you do know ku Truecaller, anyone can take inumber I edit abali igama lakhe. Yena uthi ke ku Truecaller ufumene igama lami. And she searched me on social media. When I go check my DMs to TikTok, she messaged me, Sisi, saying that she's confident I should bring back the phone. And I was confused. And she was sending me my pictures, like pictures from social media, because I'm quite active on social media.
Ngoba Friday khona inamba esike sayifonela ka 063 uyayazi leyo number ngoba iyona number ke leyo ebiza amagama akho ngize ngashiya umlayezo lapho ngoba kunecala elivuliwe la station samaphoyisa eThembisa ngendlela ke selingakhona sekuyicala lokweba kahle kahle so ke uma ngabe ifoni le okuyiyona entshontshiwe uma ngabe ke ilandelelwa iyasiveza isithombe sakho la ufake khona ivest ebrown.
And the picture icona on social media, yes. I'll post this icona on all media platforms ezami.
Ngoba isona sithombe ke leso silandele ngaso sase siyafona. So ithini indaba manje la ukhona ngoba ngiyezwa ngathi uthi kakhulu ukupla ukhona.
It's a Cape Town inyanga. I was born and raised up. I permanently reside in Cape Town. I've never been to Joburg or eThembisa.
eThembisa nje awuyazi.
And yes, I've never set my foot on eThembisa.
Hey, yanzima ke ngoba phela ke ngendlela okungakhona mawucabanga ke isithombe sakho sifika kanjani ke efonini kaSisi ngoba isona esikwazile ukusithola via nane Truecaller le number ka 063 ibiza amagama akho wonke ngicabanga ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani konke lokho.
Kaloku as I'm trying to explain uthi uSisi inumber le ivele ku Truecaller and uTruecaller uveza igama lami uTruecaller. Guys, we must be realistic. I get call accurate. I picture le andisendele yona uSisi. I picture yam that's on my social media. Unazo zonke usernames zami esibabe ezibiza pha. Zi pictures zami because they are posted ku social media like everyone else. But if phone ka Sisi don't have any information about it, no Sisi and Dimas nahi. That's what I told her ngoba benimessage la. And I thought it's a fake account because and Eva Linda and she's sending me my pictures. I even said partner go message la bana kalu stop umsebenzi pictures zami. Because I'm currently at police station dissolving the case against OCC law. I think her name is Confidence and also against the radio station itself because they are publishing information that is not accurate. It's false information.
Akunankinga sisa ngithi ke mawukhuluma nge-radio station Thembisa Online ukhuluma ngami lapho makwenzeka bekufuna igama ubhalise lami umfanelo Dzanibe ngoba sikhuluma nawe nje kunecala elivuliwe la ekufanele ngabe nawe uyakwazi ukuthi uyiphendulele njoba ngichazela nje umfanelo Dzanibe. Yebo so ke mawubhalisa lapho ubhalise nje lawo magama bese futhi ke uyabachazela ke ukuthi kune case ekhona okuyicase ye theft against wena uyabo so that ke azokwazi ukusebenza.
Loudspeaker.
Hayi akunanxaki ya ngithi sengenzela ukuthi umsebenzi usheshe ube lula esizama ukwenza ke la thina ukuthi ke nawe sikunikeze ithuba ukwazi ukuthi ke uphendule leyo case leyo njengoba ke usho ukuthi ke cha wena uthawazi lutho umsebenzi wethu ukuthi sibuyele back to abantu sibachazela ukuthi hayi ke nangu ke uSisi njengoba ke sizame ukumthola uthi yena lutho ake ukhakwaziyo sengenzela ukuthi ke sisheshe sisizane lapho uyabona.
And anikwazi ukwenza follow up on le number le beniyifonela.
Ngikwenzile lokho inumber ayikayibamba uSisi njengoba kuwukuthi wena njengoba usungifonela nje usubuya kimi njengoba ngikunika ngibuza ukuthi leyo number leyo ngabe ke uyayazi na uyangithola njengoba uthi
so-
wena hayi inamba ka-063 ke hayi awuyazi manje kumbuzo omkhulu isithombe negama kuleyo namba ka-063 isithombe sakho lesi wena ofake kuso i-vest nejini yizo-ke ehambisanayo yayibona leyo namba leyo isegameni lakho.
So but awucabanga ukuthi if bendiyenzile nyani lento bendizawusebenzisa like my real pictures.
Cha-ke akukwazi ukuthi mina ngingacabanga angithi mina umsebenzi wami ukuthi ngikunike ithuba wena usho ukuthi khona okwaziyo noma awukwazi ukwenzayo uyabona. So-ke uma ngizophendula umbuzo ukuthi ngiyacabanga noma ngicabangi ngeke kusisize lokho uyabona. Esikubongayo thina ukuthi nawe ukwazi ukuthi ubuye kithi njengoba ungithumela imessage sikwazi ukuthi nathi sikuthinte okusho ukuthi ke njengoba wena umuntu ukuthi ufana ukuthi uyi-wanted ngoba phela ngisho emaphoyiseni asethembisa umuntu ofunekayo la nangokwesithombe supply e-police station uwe uyayibona. So ke into ngabe uyayenza lapho emaphoyiseni uthi isiteshi samaphoyisa okuso isiphi
isenyanga police station.
Ubaceleke ukuthi mhlambe ungabanika noma inamba yami ubese uyabacela ukuthi ucela ukuthi bekulekelele kule case okuwukuthi wena ufunwa kuyo yasethembisa uzokwazi ukuthi ke ngokwama IO wasethembisa esebenzisana nama IO wasenyanga basizane ukuze wena ukwazi ukuthi uvele phambili usho ukuthi cha ayilutho mina ngazi lutho kwazi ukuthi ke basho ukuthi way forward kusuka lapha izoba yini ngoba currently wena you are a wanted suspect.
Well, that's what I saw on the picture.
Yebo.
So, I mean on the video. So, Uphiwa Mxeko is my name on all my social media platforms, right? Igama lami kwi-ID, it's Happiness Mxeko. Uphiwa is igama lami lasekhaya, right? So I did call Itembisa police station and I asked if there is a case that is open, but they are not aware. The officer that I was speaking to.
Angithi mina ke ngiyakutshela ukuthi case number ikhona, can supply the case number uyabona. Yingakho ngithi mina mawudinga usizo singasizana njengoba usho ukuthi ku loudspeaker lapho bese ngeke thina size sipublishe without a case number. So we have a case number wena you are a wanted suspect. Okufanele kwenzekile ukuthi wena ukwazi ukuphendula usho ukuthi hayi angithi bazokubuza bathi bhalisa istatement okungesakho before they decide ukuthi bayise court indaba. You understand? Usuzosho ke wena ukuthi uyamazi yini Uphiwo ngoba wena oyi suspect umazi kanjani ifoni uyayazi awuyazi kanjani. Maningi ke ama case kwesinye isikhathi anokwenzeka kunenye icase esake sayilandela yomunye usisi owayaxhunyaniswa nezinto zokuntshontsha kweimoto wakwazi ukuthi afike police station sakwazi futhi ukuthi sikhulumisane naye wachaza wathi hayi lutho bekuntshontshe identity yami wachaza lokho akuchazayo. Yingakho ke ngikhuluma ngaleyo ndlela asiqali ke ukusebenza ngecase efana neyakho. Siyakubonga ke ukuthi noma ubona ivideo ukwazi ukuxhumana nathi.
Okay ke buti. Ndizaphinde ndikufonele ne ndifuna ukugqibezela apha at the police station.
Okay ke sisi siyabonga.